Then Mr. Norman got you storming right off the job. Walk right off the dock, 'cause you can't replace Rob. I miss Cheryl and that guy Daryl, who looked like Iggy Pop. But it was no surprise that he liked guys, so I made the touch and stop. And Dennis would try to have a conversation with every woman in creation, even though he looked like a burnt hot dog from a gas station. And Esther would pester till the fudge would fester. My ancestors must be jesters, 'cause I laughed when life distressed her. And Desmond wouldn't arrive until 11:45. And was Devin really alive? Each day his health would take a dive. And Nick at night would take no delight in hearing us complain. No new Titanfall at all, only added to his pain. I'd trust Shirley Temple all alone with Dave Zillhart before I trust that anyone would return a card. And you can tell I miss Michelle and Corey and Cliff, and just a whiff of any woman would get the Gunther stiff. And Bill King didn't have to beg the Meg to spread some leg. That little thing named Ingrid could wash down a whole keg. Booze wouldn't be how she'd die, it would be a snowplow in July. It was hilarious when Darius told us he beat it on the trail. Jeff, who must be deaf, from across the street couldn't make a bail. Lori would start or war when we'd open the door when it was hot. And you'd hear a roar through the entire store when she'd yell, "I'm not!" And we all thought running away from Ben was tough, until we realized 2 miles per hour was enough. Without his juice, his entire aesthetic was pathetic. You could deduce he was no athletic diabetic. And we questioned Gretchen's profession, while Mitch the Snitch wallowed in depression. I think the planet would flourish if they confessed to their war crimes. Oh, like when Janet and Trish didn't put in my change of address after 4 times. Now what's that burning my eyes? It's got them scalding red. It's not the sun, surprise. It's balls, bows, balding head. And oh, John Forney, you're so corny. Quit acting so calm. You can't drive, so you survive. Leeching off your mom like a voice from heaven. 3727 over the intercom. Oh God, it's Todd, he wants your bod. He's got you in his palm. If you're having squirrel problems, I feel bad for your son. You shot a 99 deer, but you only hit one. A redneck that doesn't drive, not even a pickup. What do you call John climbing a ladder a hiccup? Did you plan it with Janet to get the schedules delayed, or cancel my paycheck so my lawyer doesn't get paid?